One of my favorite things I've just started doing is waking up early Sunday morning and just tidying up. And yeah, so I've just finished cleaning my windows. This is the front of my house. And as you can see, I've been up and about. I've done the garden and mowed the lawn, sort of. Does it look okay? What do you think? Yeah. I don't want to talk too loud because neighbors might still be sleeping and coming in. This is the front of my house, and it is so nice to be greeted by this lovely rose. I just woke up this morning and there it was. It is so beautiful, and I love Sunday mornings. Just look at this background. Isn't it beautiful? There's nothing like waking up to bird song, peace, quiet, and just tidying up. So yeah. Nothing like a quiet Sunday morning. And this is part of my handiwork. That's what I've done. And yeah, it's just nice to enjoy the peace and quiet.